Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. We're getting ready to cook me a T-bone steak. I already had this food. It's frozen, but I cook frozen steaks. So I'm going to wash it and season it. And I'll be cooking it in my EdenPeer air fryer. This new air fryer I got with the big old basket. But I'm going to plug it in now. I'm going to turn it on because I'm going to see if I can get grill marks on my steak. If I turn it on ahead of time, make sure ain't nothing in it. See how big this basket is? 12 by 12. So I want it to heat up. Okay. And put it on the steak setting. Menu, steak. Turn on. Basically, it's preheating. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Wash my steak. I'm not putting mustard on it today. Putting some of this, what's this here sauce? Let's see. I'm using this lime pepper. I bought the smaller one first, and I love this so well. So I'll get the big one. Get it from Amazon. Like I said, this steak is frozen, but as it cooks, the seasonings will sink down into the meat. I got this air fryer going because I would like to see if it'll have grill marks on the back of this steak. And some peppercorns. I'll season the other side. I'll just do it now. I like a well-seasoned steak. This is better than the orange pepper and better than the lemon pepper, in my opinion. The body of lime pepper. Whoops. Okay. So we're going to see if this sizzles or not. Yeah. Okay. It'll come back on in a second. The light just came on. It's on again. It's preheated for, I forgot what it was on. Right now it's at 8 minutes. I'll say 10 minutes. So I set it for 10 minutes at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll be back. Okay, beeping. It stopped cooking. I wound up putting 15 minutes on here because it was frozen. I don't know how you turn this thing off. Right there. Okay. I'll hear that sizzle. So that's solid. If it's for me, I'm getting ready to eat. I don't want to talk. And I did flip it over, and it didn't have no, what you call it, did not have grill marks. That's a big steak. Who is that, unavailable? Oh no. How that looks, yeah. Yes, I put steak sauce on my steak, but I'm gonna taste a little piece. I'm knocking food off the plate. I like my steaks medium well. It's a little bit of pink, a little blush. I'm gonna taste this. So, let me raise this. T-bone steak, about ½ an inch thick. It was frozen. It took 15 minutes to cook at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Tender. Y'all need to get some lime pepper. Okay. I like sauces on my steak, so I'm putting some Worcestershire sauce on it a little bit. And some hearty, thick and hearty A1 sauce. Got this from Dollar Tree. Let me do the thumbnail. Here's my dinner. T-bone steak with Worcestershire sauce and A1, tossed salad, and a buttery croissant. Okay. Hey y'all, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is my newest air fryer. It's called the EdenPeer Unique Air Fryer. They have another air fryer, so it's the EdenPeer something, but that's not the unique one. The unique one is the one with the 12-inch basket. And it has two heating elements, one at the top, one at the bottom. And I love it. I love it. For real, for real, for real. Okay, so bon appetit, and y'all be blessed. Bye.